Hey guys, it's Phil, and today you get to meet my cats. This is Katie. What? She's running away. Oh. Katie was actually abandoned because my dad's girlfriend, one of their neighbors had a fire, and the guy just kicked all his animals out on the street when he moved. You're goofy. What are you doing? Huh? You're getting all dirty rolling around outside. Yeah, good cat. Katie. Katie. And this is Molly, who is very fat. I got Molly as a kitten. She came from a farm. If I remember correctly, it was some sort of apple butter frolic or something festival at a farm, and they had these few cats that they needed to get rid of. So Molly was adopted. Let's see what Katie's looking at. What did you find? Meow meow. Here's Molly. And we have one more cat, except he can't come outside for now. He has to stay inside. We'll have a little introduction to him later. They want to go inside. Okay. And this guy is Smokey. And he was coming up to the house all the time begging for food for like a whole fall. And eventually one day there started snowing, and he came to the back door with snow on him. And I said, all right, that's it, you gotta come inside. So he has come inside, and he's been living with us for a few years now. Oh, jumping down. He wasn't quite so friendly at first, but now he's just a bucket of love and fluff. And our cats love these arch things, so they can brush themselves when we're not around. So that was a quick little video introducing my cats. Do you guys have any pets? What are your pets' names? What kind of animals do you have in your house? Do you like this video? Do you like my cats? Or do you think my cats are cute? Give me a thumbs up for my cats. Come on. And of course, if you liked this video, be sure to comment and subscribe and all that good stuff.